Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Revolut account, and if you want to still invest on Revolut, I will still show you on this video. So the first thing you have to do right now is to click the first link below this video, or you can go and search for www.ugodspower.com/Revolut. So once you search or click on the link below this video, it will take you to this page. So once it brings you to this page, what you have to do, this is how you can create your account. The first thing you have to do is to select your country here. Click here and select the country where you are from. Let us say you are from a country like France. I'll just type in France here and type in your France number here. So you can type in your France number here. So once you are done typing the number, then you can click on the part where you say get started. So once you click on where you say get started, you are going to receive an SMS on that your phone number. So once you receive that SMS on that your phone number, then what you have to do is to download Revolut app on your smartphone. And once you have downloaded the application, which is Revolut on your smartphone, then the next thing is you are going to complete the criteria that they are asking you. They are going to request for your face, kind of a face face ID verification, and they are going to ask for your document. They are going to ask for your ID, so you need to take the picture of your ID front and back, or your passport, anyone you have. You can just take the picture and take it front and back. If it's a document that have only one part, just take that first face, which is the front, and send it to them. So once you send it to them, they are going to ask you for your date of birth and ask for a little bit information for you. All those are security purposes, for your own safety and for their own safety. So once you complete the verification, then they are going to take you to their homepage. So on Revolut, one trick that they are doing is that they are going to propose you to upgrade your account, but you don't need to upgrade your account. You just need to use the free one. When you start using the free Revolut try, if you see that okay is something that you really want to start using to do your daily transaction, then you can now like pick a plan like for their upgrade. The upgrade have an interest. There's a lot of interest that come with it. So let me show you around my own application and how I am using this application, which is called Revolut. So let's assume now that you have created your account now. So let me log in on my Revolut account and show you around Revolut, and you can let me know what you think in the comment section. So if you are enjoying this video, only what I will ask from you right now just to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will say thank you, and let's keep on going. So as you can see guys, this is my own account. You can see my current balance. For you, you might find zero on your own account. So you can see my current balance. You can see the part where I say add money. If I want to add money, if I click on it now, it's going to pop this up and telling me to add maybe like a minimum amount of like 20, 50, 100 to $200 if I want to. But you can type the amount you prefer to add into your Revolut account, and you can add money into your Revolut account. So that is how you can do that. It's very simple. Let us say you want to do an exchange, the exchange of currency. You want to convert like euros into dollars. So how you can do that, you can click on the part where you say exchange. And once you click on that, it's going to show you your current balance, how much that is in your current balance, and it will still be showing you at the bottom the currency you are trying to convert into. Let us say I want to convert like 20 euros, and it will tell me how much it will be in dollars. You can see that 20 euros in dollars will be $21 and 69 cents. So that is it. If I'm okay with that, I'll just click on review and it will order it. The currency will be the exchange will be done. That is how you can convert your current currency into another currency. So that is it. Let us say you want to see details about what you can do with Revolut. You can click on the part where I say details here, and once you click on that, you are going to see your account balance. If you want anyone to send you money, so you can just send them this your IBAN account and your big code. So once you send them all those information, they can use it to send you money, and you can receive the money within 2 business days. And what is still good is that you can send money to anyone on Revolut. So let us say you have people that you are working with and you want to be paying them their salary, but you don't have, your bank is not allowing you to pay a lot of people. So on Revolut, you have the option of doing that. You can pay multiple people. All you just need to do is to take their bank details, and you click on the part where you say transfer. You see at the bottom here, you have a button that says transfer. And once you click on transfer, you click on the part where you say new. And once you click on new here, it's going to ask you which type of people or which type of contact you want to add. So you can say, okay, bank recipient. Once you click on bank recipient here, it's going to show you all the information you need to add about the person that you want to be sending money into. So once you enter all those information and you are good to go. So if you want to send the person money, you will find the name of the person at the bottom, just like you are seeing this person that you are seeing at the bottom on the screen right now. So if you click on the person, you can just send any amount you want to send to this person. So that is how you can send money to anyone if you want to be sending money to your clients, people, anywhere around all over the world. So you know now how you can receive money and how you can send money to anyone on Revolut. So there's a lot of things that you can do on Revolut, but I'm just showing you the basic things you need to know about Revolut. If there's something that you are not getting on this video, only what I will ask from you, just ask me that in the comment section, and I'm going to make video about that. So on the part where it say more, when you see here, say more. When I click on more here, you will see that let us say there's a bank, or you are trying to do some administrative things about your life, or about government are asking about all these other things. If you want to download your bank statement, you can just click on where it says statement, and it will show you since the year you start using Revolut. And from here, you can really download the bank statement of each month. Like, let me say October. If you want to download the bank statement of October, you can download it. If you want to download the bank statement of from January to December, you can download everything. So you can decide if you want to download it on PDF or you want to download it on Excel. So that is how this method work. It just work like your normal daily bank. So if I click on this part where you say more again, you can see if you want to convert currency. If you want to convert currency, you can still click on convert. Here you can see the type of currency that you can convert into. If you want to convert into euros, dollars, British pounds, and Bitcoin, gold. So if you want to do all these other things, you can do it. If you want to add more currency that you feel like you want to search for, you can click on where it said new here. You can add the currency that you want to convert into. It can be like a currencies, which is normal money. They have crypto and they have the commodities. Commodity is like if you want to convert your currency into gold. And yeah, so that is what I want to show you on this part. And if we go back again, click on the more button again. If you want to change the background of what you are seeing on this your Revolut account, you can choose that. Let us say I choose this color here. You can see it have changed my Revolut background immediately, and that is how all those other things are working. If I click on this icon again, you can see if you want to add a new account. So I click on add a new account here, it's going to show you what you can do if you add a new account, and the interest rate, like you are going to be getting interest for you doing all these other things. So if you want to do a conjoined account, if you want to have a pro account, how much you can be getting by just doing all these other things. If you want to put money aside from the money that you have on your own account, so you can do all these other things. You can manage a lot of things from this Revolut app. So that is why I really like this application. So if you're enjoying this video, like I'm saying, guys, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let us go into the card of Revolut. Let us see the card that they have of Revolut. So when I click on this icon at the top here, so once I click on it, you will see the type of card that I have currently right now. So I have a virtual account. So I don't have their physical account because they want me to pay $7 for me to have that card. So let us say I want that card of that physical card. I have to order it online. And that is what I have to say concerning the Revolut card. So I prefer the virtual one because I am doing all my transaction online. I don't even need my Revolut physical card, because now we have Google Pay that you can connect your virtual card to your Google Pay account and you can use it to pay anywhere around all over the world. So that is one thing I like about Revolut. If I click on add new here, it's going to pop this up and it's going to be asking us if we want to order our physical card or we want a virtual card. If I click on physical card here, it's going to pop this up and it's going to allow us to choose which one of the card that we want. You can see the platinum Revolut card, you can see the Mentor black card, you can see the premium space gray card, you can see the plus card, so which you can just customize them and choose the one that you want, and Revolut is going to send it to you. So that is what I want to talk about different type of Revolut card that you are seeing. You can see the limited edition 24K gold plated Revolut card, and all these cards, they have different amount of money that you are going to pay before you get them. It's not free. That is one thing a lot of people are not talking about when they are talking about Revolut and how to use it. So each one of these cards, you cannot get them in the same amount. Everyone have they have a subscription on top. So that is what I want you to know. The Revolut standard card is 100% free, but you are going to pay for delivery. That is one thing. You can see at the bottom, it says delivering free, delivery fee from $7.97 €7.99. So you can see that. So if you want to get this platinum card, you have to upgrade the account. And if you want to get this Menta Black, you need to upgrade to Menta Black upgrade. So if you want to get the premium spray gray, you have to upgrade to this card, this limited edition 24 gold plated. You need to upgrade to this version to be able to get this card. So that is how all these Revolut card work, and that is what I want to talk about. So you can see that to get this card, you are going to pay €79.99 every single month if you want this card. So that is one thing I want you to know about everything about Revolut concerning how it works and the benefits. So one thing I like about Revolut is that you can use it anywhere, and you have their virtual card which you can use from anywhere all over the world. So you don't need the pro card. So all you just need to focus on is the virtual card. So on the top here, you can see the debit. If I click on Revolut Pro, you will see like what I told you. If you click on get started here, it's going to show you the Revolut Pro and the interest you are going to get if you upgrade to Revolut Pro, and the interest of what you are going to be getting. But you are going to pay money if you upgrade, which is what I'm not recommending to anyone, and I don't just talk about that because I want you to use your card and don't pay anyone money or pay the company money by using it. So you need to make sure that everything you are doing at the beginning have to be free. So if you like it and you find that it's useful, then you can decide if you want to upgrade or not. But for my own opinion, do not upgrade to any Revolut Pro plan. So that is one thing I want to talk about concerning this Revolut application. And honestly, for me, I like the application. You can see the interface here is very simple, and you can just scroll around, look around the applications. And at the bottom here, they have a button that say invest, and they have a button that say transfer, which if you want to send money, which you already know. And they have the crypto tab, which if you want to invest in crypto. And they have the lifestyle things that, let me say, if you want to buy things online, you can just use any one of these websites through Revolut, and you're going to get interest by just buying things through this website from Revolut. What I want us to talk about now is the investing part. So let us say you want to invest in Revolut. So you have three options to invest in Revolut. You have the crypto, and you have the stock, and you have the commodity. So let us say I want to invest in like stocks. Now I just need to click on the part where it say invest, and it's going to pop this page up. So once it pop this page up, I will click on invest here, and it's going to show us you're going to pop this up, and it's going to be, you are going to see the currency that I have invested on currently. And if I click on trade here, it's going to show us a lot of stocks that we can invest into. Let us say I want to invest in Apple, I want to invest in AAON, I want to invest in Coca-Cola, I want to invest in Fiverr, I want to invest in Google, I want to invest in Airbnb, I want to invest in any company you imagine. Just come here, search for it, and let us use this Airbnb. I just need to click on Airbnb here, and you can invest a minimum amount of $1. So it doesn't matter if you have $1 on your account or not. So as long as you have $1, you can just go and invest in the company that you want to invest into. You can see the market cap of Airbnb, which is $84.73 billion. And that is one thing I want you to focus on. Focus on the market cap, if it's low or high. And you have to do research to see each month and each year, every single day, how the market is going and what is happening to this company. Because you don't just want to invest in any company without you knowing what is happening on that company between 1 year ago, 6 months ago, or 1 day ago, or 1 week ago. You can see Revolut is tracking this company with daily, weekly, monthly, 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years, and months. So they are just tracking this company, seeing what is going on, and this is going to give you a trust, like, okay, I can invest in this company. Any company you invest on, make sure you know the company and you feel like, okay, I can really put my money into this company. Let us say I want to invest. I'll just click on the part where it said buy. So once I click on buy now, it's going to pop this up that you can see on the screen here. And what you need to do, let us say you want to invest one share. You can see a share of Airbnb is $125.98, which is the capital if you want to invest. Let us say I click on that now and I put 1. It's going to be letting us to know that, okay, this is the amount we can pay for one share on Airbnb. And if you want to do that, you just need to enter it there. So, but it's going to be telling us and letting us to know that we don't have any money in our investment account. So what we need to do is to deposit money into our investment account. How to deposit money into your investment account is very simple. Click on the part where it said buy. So once you click on buy, it's going to tell you insufficient fund. You should fund your investment account. So what you need to do is to click on fund here. And what you need to do now is to, let us say I want to invest like $10 on Airbnb. I'll just type in $10 and I'll click on add. And once I click on add here, it's going to add that $10 into my account, which is my investment portfolio. What I just need to do is to come here now, come down here and type in $10. So type in that $10, you can see it's not showing red again because we have money in our investment account. So what we need to do next now is to click on the part where you say buy. So once I click on buy now, it's going to pop this up, letting us to know the fee we are going to pay. Normally, they don't used to pay fee on Revolut, but now they are charging like $1 for a fee for any transaction you do. You can see that we are going to have on our trading volume, we are going to be seeing $9.92 on our own investment portfolio on Airbnb only. So all I need to do here is to click on submit. And once I click on submit, you can see it's telling us your order has been executed. So which means our order has been placed. If you want to do a recurring investment, you can do that, but we can talk about that in other video. So that is how you can invest in any stock on Revolut. So it's just the same thing with other stock on, like if you want to invest in gold, or you want to invest in commodity, which is house, you can do that. So let us say we'll come down here and I want to invest in crypto. I can just click on crypto again, click on trade, and here you can find a lot of cryptocurrency that you can invest on, so if you want to. So that is how you can invest in any crypto asset. If I click on it again, it just works in the same way. Click on buy, and here you are going to type in the amount you want to enter and you are good to go. So it's so simple as ABC, just like I'm showing you. If you want to invest again on the which is the commodity part, what you can do again is to click on the part here. So to invest in commodity, click on invest, and once you click on invest, normally to show this up, but if you click on trade here, let us say you click on trade, it's going to open this up. If you look very well, you will see where I say commodities. So once I click on commodities here, it's going to pop this up. You can invest in gold, silver, and other currency that you can invest in on here. So let us say I want to invest in gold. All I need to do here is to click on gold, and just like we did in other ones, you can just click on buy, and here you can type in the amount you want to invest. So you can invest up to $1, like I said. You can just type in, let us say I want to invest $1. You can type in $1 here, and it's going to show you how much you can pay for a fee and how much you are going to get if you invest $1 every single day. So that is how it works. You need to be monitoring your investment. That is one thing that is important when it comes to investing in any company or any currency or anything at all online. So do your proper diligence and do your proper research to see if Revolut is a good application that you can start using to do your investment online, guys. So I'm going to end this video from here, and let me know what you think about Revolut and how you can use it to invest. So I just want to hear your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know what you want me to talk about in my other video about Revolut. I will say thank you, and I'll create a playlist about Revolut so that you can be watching every video that I'm talking about on Revolut. Just turn on your notification. I will say thank you very much, guys. See you on my next upcoming video.